Hello, future hackers. Ever wanted to change your IP address and browse the internet as if you're in another country? Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that using Psiphon, a free VPN tool. But before we dive into the setup, let's quickly understand what IP spoofing is and why it's used. Let's begin. IP spoofing is a technique where an attacker or user modifies their IP address to appear as someone else. This can be used for both cyber attacks and privacy protection. If you want a detailed explanation of IP spoofing, check out the full video linked in the description. Now, let's skip the theory and jump straight into the practical part, changing your IP using Psiphon. To begin, you need to download and install Psiphon on your device. Visit the official website Psiphon. Choose the version suitable for your system, Windows, Android, etc., and download it. Once the download is complete, install the software and launch it. Now, Psiphon is ready to establish a secure connection that will modify your IP address. Before connecting to Psiphon, visit whatismyipaddress.com and note down your current IP address along with the city, region, and country. This will help you verify the change after using Psiphon. Now, open Psiphon and click on the Connect button. Psiphon will automatically select the fastest available server for you. Once connected, all your internet traffic will be routed through this new location, effectively masking your original IP address. To confirm that your IP has changed, go back to whatismyipaddress.com and refresh the page. You should now see a different IP address, proving that your location has been successfully modified. And that's how you can easily change your IP using Psiphon. This method allows you to bypass restrictions, browse privately, and access geo-blocked content. However, keep in mind that VPNs do not guarantee complete anonymity, as other tracking methods can still be used. If you want to learn more about IP spoofing in detail, check out the full explanation video linked in the description. See you in the next one. Stay safe, future hackers.